I am humbled by the pronouncement of the President today on clearing my involvement on the alleged drug matrix released last August 25, 2016. I kept my silence for the past 3 weeks as I know beyond reasonable doubt that I am not guilty of this allegation. More so, when I had the opportunity last August 30, 2016 for a meeting with the President, and he promised me to have the matrix revalidated by the proper authorities. Although my family and the people of Pangasinan were saddened by this unprecedented accusation, we remained steadfast on our respect and high regard on the discretion of our President and relied completely on his promised revalidation. Today, September 27th of 2016, my family, friends, and the people of Pangasinan would like to express our gratitude to the President for being a true leader and a gentleman. He has my highest esteem for the courageous and bold statement of apology on clearing my name. Rafi Baraan, my former administrator, and Raul Sison, a board member of the province. Let me reassure the President of my sincere and relentless support of his anti-drug and peace and order campaign, which had always been my campaign message for the past 6 elections. Again, I am so humbled and thank the President, the concerned authorities who validated this for this much-awaited relief. God bless our country. Thank you very much.